Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica and I'm back again with another video on the right way to name your Pinterest boards in 2019 and beyond. Now a lot of you guys are going to hate me for this, but Pinterest is changing and we need to change along with it. I created a tutorial about a year back on how to use Pinterest for business, and most of the strategies that I taught in that tutorial, they just don't work anymore on Pinterest. So I'm going to be showing you step by step. I also have a blog post that you can go and check out on Start a Mommy blog about this topic. But I'm going to be showing you here in the video what you need to do to start getting your profile, your boards, and your pins ranked higher on Pinterest. Now, if we go to one of my profiles on Pinterest, you're going to see here that my monthly viewers is 479,000 something. That don't mean shit because it all comes down to engagement. But here's another one. If I come here on Fashion Ghetto, I also have 288,000 monthly viewers, and I don't pin anything to this account. I don't use this account. I hardly ever log into it. If I go to another profile of mine, you're going to see here that I have only 1,000 monthly viewers. Now, there's a reason for this. If you look at my boards and you look at the name, the titles of the boards, these titles are generic terms that people search for, and you do not want that in 2019. Now, about 2 weeks ago, I went into this account and I changed some things out. I changed out my board names after reading an ebook that I bought, and I decided to go ahead and try it. Now, this account, I don't use it. I don't pin nothing to it, but my monthly viewer is up and also my engagement is up because I changed the name of some of the boards. If I go to another account of mine, you're also going to see that is all the way down. I only have 12 monthly viewers, and this account I don't pin to. And if you notice the names of the boards, they're all over the place. These are terms that people search for, and you don't want that on Pinterest anymore. If you come here to this one of my personal profiles, this is not a business account, I created this particular account to test exactly what I'm about to show you guys. And all of the boards that are on this account, these names are topics. So in 2019, you want to go onto your Pinterest account and you want to change out all the names of your boards. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to pinterest.com/topics/ whatever it is your niche is. So if I want to go ahead and look for films, oh, I'm sorry, should have added a slash at the end of that. So you want to go pinterest.com/topics/ whatever it is your keyword is. Now, as you can see here, films is not a topic because it took me to the search results. We do not want that. You want to find, I'm going to do this. Okay, let's go with home. We want to go to topics/home remedies. Now, if you have more than one keyword, you're going to need to add a dash in between of both keywords. So just a second until this loads. Okay, and there you go, home remedies. This is a topic. This is a winner. I have home remedies as a keyword on my profile as a board name, and home remedies is actually a topic. Now, the best part about this is that whatever you post to your board, if your board name is a topic, it's going to get shown to all of the followers of that particular topic. Now, there's a catch though. You want to make sure that whatever the topic is that you're using for your board names, they should be below 50,000 followers, or else it's going to be too competitive. You're not going to be able to rank for anything if you choose keywords that have high amounts of followers. This is very important. You just make sure to, get keywords that are topics, and you want to change out all of your board names. Now, as you can see here, I went into a topic, and this is one of my pins. This is about asthma, and I didn't even pin it to a board that is called asthma, but I pinned it to a board that is called home remedies. So because the board is a topic, Pinterest in all of these are subtopics for home remedies. If you remember, I went to home remedies and then I clicked on one of these subtopics, and then I got my pin down there. So this is what you want to do. You want to choose, okay, my niche is home remedies. So once you choose your niche, you want to come down here. You want to go to topics dash whatever it is your niche is, and you want to choose these subtopics to create your board names. So let me see if I have another pin on here called cold remedies or something. I don't know. I don't want to keep this video too long because I'm getting a lot of hate because my videos are too long. But anyway, this is what you want to do in 2019. You can go to, okay, this is an awesome keyword to use for your board name. Now, it depends on your niche. You're not going to use cold remedies if you're not in the remedies niche. So you want to go in there, whatever it is your niche is. You can also use the, okay, like I was about to show you guys, this is one of my pins. This is mine also. Now, because I saved this pin to a board called cold remedies, my pin is showing up here. And whatever I pin to that board, if it does not have a lot of followers, anything under 50,000, your pins are going to get shown to everyone who follows that particular topic. You can also access topic by going to pinterest.com/categories. Okay, pinterest.com/categories. Another slash, and you choose whatever category your niche is. So let's say you are in the health and fitness or food and drinks, and this is exactly what you want to do. You never want to choose a board, you never want to name a board food and drink. It's just gonna be so difficult to rank any pin or to show up in the feeds of people following that particular category. You want to come down here, topics related to food and drink. You want to select these names. You can just click on it and open it up in a new tab. And if dessert has a lot of followers, that is going to be, really competitive, like this is 55 million, you don't want to name a board called dessert. You also want to go down and find related topics related to desserts. You create boards with health dessert, cheesecake, cinnamon, plated desserts. These are going to be easier to rank for instead of just going for desserts. And this is how you need to, go ahead and create your board names. You go to categories, choose your categories, and you want to find topics related to desserts, related to whatever your category is. And you want to keep on digging deeper until you can find topics with followers less than 50,000. If you create boards that are related to your niche that are actually topics, you are going to get ranked on Pinterest. Your profile is going to have a lot of monthly viewers, and this is going to work for you. I've tried it out, I've tested it, and I know that it works. Now, a little disclaimer here. When you change your board names, it's gonna lower your monthly viewers just a little bit, but then after a few days or a few weeks, your monthly viewers are gonna spike through the roof. You're not gonna believe it, and a lot of people will start to see your pins. They're gonna start pinning your pins, and you're gonna start getting traffic. So this is the way to go. This is how you want to name your boards on Pinterest. Do not use generic terms like how I showed in the other video. You don't want to name your boards like that. You want to use topics as your board names. Pinterest.com/topics/whatever your keywords are, or go to categories and pick a category and find subtopics and topics related to subtopics to create your board names. So I hope this video helped, and you need to use this, guys. If you want to be successful on Pinterest, you need to do this because it really works. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as I can.